So once again, welcome guys. So in our last session, we discussed about the uniform circular motion UCM. So what is UCM? UCM means there is a constant speed, and their opposite non-UCM. Non-UCM means there is a variable speed. Means angular velocity is constant in UCM, and in non-UCM, angular velocity is not constant. So we discuss about the applications of UCM. So there are three applications in UCM we discussed in last video. So first application is a vehicle along a horizontal car road, and second one is a well of death, and our third remaining application is banked car road. You know what is a banked car road? Banked car road, or we call it is banking angle. Call it is banking angle. So what is banking angle? What is car road? So basically, in a car road, in a car road, a vehicle takes turn. Vehicle takes a turn. The outer edge of the road. The outer edge of the road is uh, small amount of increasing. Small amount of increasing, and the existing angle we call it is banking angle. So what is banking angle? Means the outer edge of the road is increasing. Means there are two edges in the road. There is a outer edge and lower edge. So the outer edge is increasing in bank curve. So first of all, we write the definitions of bank curve. So what is bank curve road? The outer edge of the road is increasing, is called banking angle or banked curved road. सो इसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसे रहेगा? हमारे पास बैंक का रोड का स्ट्रक्चर कैसे रहेगा? सो देखते हैं हम. सो दिस इज द कर्व रोड. ओके, दिस इज अ कर्व रोड. ओके, this is the surface of a road, and this angle is called the banked angle. We know, we name it is as theta. So here is a vehicle. Okay, vehicle, this is the vehicle. Okay, this is the center of gravity of a vehicle, and this vehicle's weight is in vertically downward. We name it is mg, and this is the direction f sine theta, and vertical component in upward direction provides a normal reaction. We call it is n cos theta, and this horizontal component provides centripetal force. It is called is n sin theta and f cos theta. Okay, so this is the normal reaction, and this is a force. Okay, so first of all, this all things we written vertical component and horizontal component. Okay, so first of all, this is the vertical direction, this is horizontal direction. Vertical component is f sin theta and n cos theta. F sin theta and weight mg is vertically downward, and n cos theta is vertically upward. And a horizontal component means n sin theta and up cos theta are the horizontal component which provides centripetal force. So these are the force, and this is the normal reaction. Okay, and this is the center of gravity of the vehicle. These are the vehicle. Okay, so this angle we call it is banking angle. Okay, so first of all we write it is a vertical component. F cos theta is vertically downward, and n cos theta vertically upward. Okay, and weight mg, this this is also a vertical component. Weight mg is vertically also downward. This is the first step. So we see also horizontal component. Okay, in second step f cos theta, yeah, horizontal component. Okay, so f cos theta and n sin theta and n sin theta are horizontal component which provides centripetal force. Okay, which provides centripetal force. Which provides centripetal force. Okay, these all are the namings of this bank curve rod. Okay, so now in third step we mathematically write the vertical component. The vertical component is, what is vertical component? N cos theta equal to f sin theta plus and these are in opposite direction, and f sin theta plus mg. How can we write this? N cos theta minus f sin theta equal to mg. We take this equation number 1. Okay, so in fourth step what we write? Horizontal component. The horizontal component is, what is horizontal component? N sin theta plus f cos theta, which is equal to centripetal force. I already tell about n sin theta plus f cos theta, which provides centripetal force, mv square upon r. Equation number 2. Okay, from equation 1 and 2 right here, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2 we have, what is n cos theta. We divide this equation, n cos theta minus f sin theta equal to mg divided by n sin theta plus f cos theta equal to mv square upon this m get cancel, n cos theta minus f sin theta is equal to g divided by n sin theta plus f cos theta equal to v square divided by r. Everybody understand this diagram? I erase this diagram. Okay. So n cos theta minus f sin theta equal to rg divided by n sin theta plus f cos theta equal to v square. Okay. So v स्क्वायर इसको कैसे लिखेंगे हम? v स्क्वायर को लिखेंगे v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू आर जी, इसको ऊपर लेंगे एन साइन थीटा प्लस एफ कॉस थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय एन कॉस थीटा माइनस एफ साइन थीटा. Okay, got it? So v equal to under root rg n sin theta plus f cos theta divided by n cos theta minus f sin theta. So basically we divide this equation to n cos theta for solving this equation. We take this equation number 3, divide numerator and denominator by n cos theta to equation number 3. We get what we get? V equal to under root rg n sin theta plus f cos theta divided by n cos theta again divided by n cos theta minus f sin theta divided by n cos theta. Okay, so again we write this equation v equal to under root rg. We separate this n sin theta upon n cos theta plus f cos theta divided by n cos theta, again n cos theta divided by n cos theta minus f sin theta divided by n cos theta. So again we write here, so f sin theta upon n cos theta. Okay, so v equal to under root rg. Let's look at this equation, n sin theta upon cos theta. What is tan theta plus f cos theta upon n cos theta. So again we write here after this equation, what is the value of n? What is the value of n? So we know what is f equal to mu s into n. We see this in second application, well of it, f equal to mu s into n. So we write this equation v equal to under root rg n sin theta upon n cos theta plus what we put mu s n into cos theta divided by n cos theta. Again we divide this n cos theta upon n cos theta upon n cos theta minus, what is the value of minus f mu s n, mu s n sin theta, mu s n sin theta divided by n cos theta. So v equal to, we solve this equation, v equal to n sin theta upon this is n cos theta, sin theta upon cos theta tan theta, this rg is written here, tan theta plus mu s n cos theta cancel, mu s divided by n cos theta 1 minus and mu s and cancel sin theta upon cos theta tan theta. Okay, this is the v equal to, this is the maximum speed of a bank car road. This equation is the maximum speed of a bank car road. Okay, Vmax is maximum speed of a banked car road. Okay, so again we take two cases for finding the banking angle. We take two cases. In first case we put theta equal to 0, and in next case we put coefficient of static friction. What is coefficient of static friction? Mu s equal to 0. Okay, in first case first, what is theta equal to 0? Take this equation number 4. Take this equation number 4. Okay, so v equal to, from equation 4, v equal to under root rg. What is the value of tan 0? Tan 0 is 0. Tan 0 plus mu s upon 1 minus mu s 0, tan 0. Okay, so what is the value? V equal to under root rg tan 0. So everything is 0, so mu s rg, this is the maximum speed when angle theta equal to 0. In second case, what is in second case? In second case we put mu s equal to 0. What is mu s? Mu s means coefficient of static friction. So again take from equation 4. From equation 4, v equal to under root rg tan theta plus 0 upon 1 minus 0. Okay, v equal to under root rg tan theta. How can we write? V square equal to rg tan theta. Okay, got it? So v square, so tan theta equal to v square upon rg, and theta equal to tan inverse v square upon rg. Okay, this is the equation number 5. This is equation number 6. So equation 6 is called angle of banking, theta equal to tan inverse v square upon rg. Equation 6 is called, right here, equation 6 is called angle of banking. Okay. So from diagram, we write this type of equations, and from these derivations, expressions, we calculate the maximum speed of a bank car road. This is the maximum speed, v equal to 1 root rg tan theta plus mu s upon 1 minus mu s tan theta. And we take two cases. In first case, theta equal to 0, and in second case, mu s equal to 0. So after solving this, got banking angle theta equal to tan inverse v square upon rg. Okay, so in our in this video we discuss about angle of banking, and we find the banking angle. So okay, thank you.